Alright, today we're unboxing the Asus ROG Strix G35DX. This is a pre-built gaming PC and we're going to see what it's all about, what comes in the package, everything. So let's get this puppet open. And if you're wondering why I have this mask and these glasses on, it's because it's so hard to find a RTX 3080 these days that I'm afraid for my security if my face and location is known. So this will keep me safe from the cartel. So let's get into it. Okay, just cut this open and let's see what's in the package. Now, first of all, there's a box, and in this box there is documentation and the power cable. So you get that, and there's one more thing here. Is this more documentation? Who knows? It's a ROG keychain, is that it? Really, a keychain? $4,000 for a PC, but you get a free keychain. So that's great. Thank you for that. What more do we have? We have some packing foam here. You can just toss that away. And oh, we have the PC, the star of the show. It has a carrying handle, but I'm not sure if this is sufficient. Oh, that's the PC, all right. Okay, and this is empty, totally empty. And what more is in the package? Not much, gotta say, not much. So, in the package you get, okay, so how do we get this off? That's the important question. Oh, there's, at the bottom, okay. So, there's some tape here that you have to tear off. Then you can begin to get it off. So here we have it. This is the PC. It's nice, but there wasn't a whole lot of extra gear added to this, I have to say. It was quite lackluster. No cables, only the power cable. I was hoping to get a HDMI cable or DisplayPort cable. So here is the PC. We have an RTX 3080. Oh, it's looking cool. We got a Ryzen 3900X. Okay, so we have the RTX 3080 Asus version, a huge beefy CPU cooler for that large 12-core processor, and some excellent cable management here. One fan in the back, one in the front, and a radiator for the CPU. So that's the PC. Personally, I would have preferred if the graphics card was mounted the other way. This is going to be a hindrance for me, but that's okay. We're going to fix that. But thank you for watching. So that's the PC. Alright, now I made this video because the seller I bought this from did not have a lot of information on the desktop on their website, and when I asked their customer service, they could not provide me with the information I was looking for. So I found this website from Asus, and we're going to be looking at the model here, which is the ROG Strix G35DX-NR074T. And we're just going to look at what kind of specification it has. It has the AMD Ryzen 3900X, AMD X570 chipset, motherboard, you know, and NVIDIA RTX 3080, 32 gigs of RAM separated in two 16 gigabyte 3200 megahertz sticks. 8 SATA ports, terabyte SATA traditional hard drive, spin drive, 7200 RPMs, 1 terabyte M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD, and we have all these connectors and plugins and everything. So it has enough connectors, I can say that for sure. Now, expansion slots, you have 2 PCIe 4.0 X1, 3 PCIe 4.0 X16, 2 M.2 for SSDs, and 4 RAM slots. But the information I was particularly interested in was the power supply, which is 750 watt 80 plus gold. So that means it can generate about 600 watts for your equipment. And here we have the specs and orientation of the GPU, which I was not pleased with, but we're going to fix that in a later video. And you have the 240 millimeter liquid cooler and Aura Zinc. And so if you want this, I will do more videos on the specifications and upgrading this particular system. So if you want to see that, you can subscribe to the channel. And so that's my video. This is just a public service announcement to get you educated on the things you buy. So thank you and goodbye.